In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring your product to market faster and smarter without wasting time or money on things that don't work. I've got the perfect solution, a go-to-market checklist template that takes the guesswork out of your strategy. The best part? This checklist is powered by AI. I'm going to show you how it works step by step and why it's going to save you a ton of time. Now, you can find a link to the Google Sheet template below, but stick around because in a minute, I'm going to show you how AI customizes the entire checklist for your business. The first tab is your basic go-to-market checklist. This is where you'll input all the steps needed to launch your product. It's blank, so you can fully customize it based on your strategy. You don't have to be perfect. Just start filling it out with the key steps that make sense for your product launch. Next, we've got the Example Template tab. This is where you can see a pre-filled version with all the essentials, like defining your ideal customer profile, conducting market research, and analyzing competitors. It's a great place to get inspiration, and I've even included links to additional resources that can help you along the way. Now, here's the exciting part, the AI-powered checklist. This tab is where the magic happens. You just enter in your product category and the type of activities you need to focus on, hit the AI button, and boom, a fully customized checklist tailored to your business goals. It's like having a marketing expert in your back pocket without the hefty consulting fees. Once your checklist is set up, put it into action. Now you know how to launch your product faster and more effectively by following the right steps, using AI, and keeping your team aligned. Go download the template now and get started on hitting those growth goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more AI-powered tools and strategies that we use to run our sales and marketing teams. See you in the next video.